This is a 25 horsepower Model YH Fairbanks Morse engine. It provides the power for the line shafts in our machine shop. It is a two-stroke, direct-injected diesel engine and was originally used to drive a line shaft at a sugar beet factory in Ohio. It was purchased in 2011, restored in 2012, and then added to our machine shop. A line shaft was an early way to transmit power to many tools from a common power source, such as steam, water, stationary engine, or even horsepower. It was heavily used from the Industrial Revolution until the early 20th century, and the availability of small electric motors became more prominent. Line shafts are widely used in sawmills, factories, and other industrial settings. You can see here that the tools can be engaged or disengaged from operation with various belts and pulleys. Shapers were used to make small rectangular parts. Work performed on a shaper includes cutting surfaces flat, making keyways and slots. A shaper is one of the few machines that can cut a square hole on a part. In a foundry, the products are created from the process of pouring molten metal into casts. When cooled, the result is a casting from that metal. Forging is the term used for shaping metal by use of heat and hammers or other similar instruments. The metal is heated until it becomes soft enough to be hammered into shape. The process is repeated until the desired result is achieved.
Don't you think we're